All right, time travelers, get ready for an exhilarating journey through the realms of science and imagination. Buckle up because we're diving headfirst into one of the most mind-bending concepts ever: time travel. It's a topic that has fascinated humanity for generations. Have you ever wondered if time travel is actually possible? Could we really journey to the past or the future? Well, today I'm breaking it down for you in just 3 minutes. First things first, let's get to the basics. Let's talk about the big guy, Albert Einstein. His contributions to science are monumental. His theory of relativity is the cornerstone of modern physics, and guess what? It has some intriguing implications for time travel. It suggests time travel might not be just a sci-fi fantasy. Imagine the possibilities if we could actually manipulate time. According to Einstein, time isn't a constant. It's a flexible dimension that can be altered. It can be stretched and squeezed depending on how fast you're moving. Picture this: if you could travel at the speed of light, time would slow down for you. This phenomenon is known as time dilation. That means you could zip off to another galaxy and come back to find that Earth has aged years, while you've only experienced hours. Crazy, right? It's like living in a different time zone on a cosmic scale. Now let's get a bit more practical. How close are we to making time travel a reality? Scientists are already experimenting with small-scale time travel. It's not just theoretical anymore. Ever heard of a particle accelerator? These massive machines are at the forefront of this research. These massive machines speed up particles to nearly the speed of light. And guess what happens? Time dilation. Particles age slower. It's tiny, but it's real. This is a small but significant step towards understanding how time can be manipulated. But what about traveling back in time? That's the real head-scratcher. That's where things get a bit trickier. The concept of reversing time is fraught with paradoxes and challenges. Theoretical physicists like Kip Thorne have suggested using wormholes. These are fascinating objects in the universe. Think of them as cosmic shortcuts through space and time. If we could harness them, the possibilities are endless. If you could stabilize a wormhole, you might be able to travel backwards. It's a tantalizing idea. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but the math checks out. Theoretical physics supports this possibility. Now here's a mind-blowing tip. The implications of time travel are profound. Ever heard of the grandfather paradox? It's a classic thought experiment in time travel. It's the idea that if you went back in time and prevented your grandparents from meeting, you might never be born. This creates a logical conundrum. This paradox highlights the complexities and potential dangers of messing with time. It's a puzzle that has stumped many great minds. But don't worry, some theories suggest parallel universes might save us from these paradoxes. Each universe could have its own timeline. Each action creates a new timeline, so nothing's really set in stone. This means our actions might not have the catastrophic consequences we fear. Alright, let's wrap this up. We've covered a lot of ground today. While we're not hopping into DeLoreans just yet, the concept of time travel is more than just science fiction. It's a field of serious scientific inquiry. From Einstein's relativity to particle accelerators and wormholes, we're inching closer to understanding the mysteries of time. Who knows? The future holds endless possibilities. Maybe one day, you'll be the one to unlock the secrets of time travel. The next great discovery could be just around the corner. If you loved this deep dive into the future, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing content. Your support helps us explore these fascinating topics. Until next time, keep dreaming big and stay curious. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Catch you in the future. The adventure is just beginning.